Hi, this is Will from ProBackup, and in this video I will explain you how you can backup your ClickUp account. As you can see here, I'm already logged into ClickUp and I have created a few tasks with files and comments. And so to back this up, you can go to ProBackup. If you have not created yet a ProBackup account, you can click here on Start Now and then on ClickUp to create your ProBackup account. In this case, I already have an account, so I'll just click on Sign In to get to my account. Once you're logged into ProBackup, you can click here on New App and then on ClickUp to go to the first step of the onboarding process. In the first step, you will need to log into ClickUp in order to authorize ProBackup. If you're not logged into ClickUp, you will first need to log in. In this case, I was already logged in. And then on this step or on this page from ClickUp, you will be able to select your workspaces. So in this case, I just have one workspace, but you have the option to select either all of your workspaces or to exclude some workspace. For example, if you're using a workspace for your private information. So I'll select Demo Workspace and then click on Connect Workspace. Then I'm redirected to the onboarding process. Here again, I need to confirm my backup scope. This can also be changed later once you have an account, so it's always possible to add more workspaces afterwards. So if you just would like to try ProBackup with like a demo workspace or something, then that's definitely possible. I click on Continue, and then on the third step, you have the option to sync your data backups to your Google Drive accounts. So when we backup your ClickUp data, in the first step, we backup all of your data and store it with heavy encryption on our own servers. And then in the second step, you have the option to sync those data backups to your Google Drive folder. This is an optional step, but for some customers, it's very nice to have their data backups in their own Google Drive and not just stored on our servers. In this case, I will skip this, but if you want to do this or learn more about this, there's another video on our YouTube channel that goes a bit deeper into the Sync to Google Drive feature. And then on the last step, I can already review my information and click on Start Backup to start the initial backup of my ClickUp account. And then depending on the size of your ClickUp account, this can take up to a few hours, but usually it goes very quick. And then once the first backup has been completed, then we will automatically backup your data once every 24 hours. So at this point, I'm already set up. I don't need to do any further scheduling or anything like that. There's no other configurations to be done. Everything runs automatically in the background as of this point. So once I've completed the onboarding process, I'm redirected to the summary page of my ClickUp account, and you can see here that the data is already slowly being pulled in. Once the first backup is completed, you will receive an email from us, so then you can check the data backups in your accounts. As you can see, it goes pretty quickly because I just had a small demo account. And once the first backup is done, you can go to the backups page here and then open the different data types and access your data backups through the user interface. There's more videos on our YouTube channel that go a bit deeper in how to use ProBackup, how to restore data, how to export data, how to use the reports and stuff like that. So if you're interested, definitely have a look at our channel as well. That's it for this video for now. If you have any questions, don't hesitate to reach out, and thanks for watching.